have different needs. So besides myself, I'll be inviting guests every session to share with us their property journey. Today we are honoured to have us a very special guest, Mr. Patrick Lam, Director of JBE Holdings, to share with us his perspective from being a property developer in Singapore. Thank you, Patrick, for taking to the whole area.
Yes.
I see. So, any insights, or maybe this is probably the first videos that is going out on the project. You want to share with us about the Commodore? First of all, why the name Commodore?
We see, we know that Canberra has a rich history as a naval base in the 19th century, 20th century.
Yes.
We honor this rich history. That's why we name the development as Commodore. Commodore, in fact, is a high-ranking naval officer.
Yes, yes.
So
I have Googled myself.
okay, so that's why we name our development as Commodore.
I see, I see.
The Commodore actually is a 219-unit development, quite exclusive, and we have from 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom to 5 bedroom. Our 5 bedroom even has private lift.
Oh.
Which I think we don't see many development in this location with private lift.
Yeah, you are right.
Yeah.
In fact, nowadays I have not seen the recent launches in OCR having private lift. So I think I'll be very excited to go and take a look.
Yeah, okay, you're welcome.
I will be the marketing agent. I see. So you have 1 bedroom as well.
Yeah, 1 bedroom. I think we try to cater for people for investment purpose or some youngsters who want to move out and stay by themselves. Yeah, and in terms of quantum, it will be a lot more affordable.
Okay, I will leave the questions later on. Or maybe you should tell us now. I think every day I know people asking me, we are launching the Commodore. The first thing that our teammates ask me is, what's the price?
We will price the Commodore in line with market.
That's not what we want to hear.
But of course, we will try to price it very attractively for those who can commit during our launch day.
Oh, this is what we want to hear. So you price it attractively.
Yes.
For booking day.
Yes.
I see. Okay, so teammates out there, if you are listening in and tune in, do make sure you work on the Commodore, because Patrick is going to price the booking day units attractively. I see. But any other things that you can share with us about the Commodore? None of our teammates have seen the show flat yet. Maybe you give us some sneak preview.
We try to develop Commodore as a very different product from other developments. Yes. So we use very good quality finishes.
Oh, what is your good quality finishes?
For example, our living dining room, we use big format tiles from Italy.
Italy design or from Italy?
From Italy.
Oh, from Italy.
Yes.
So it's imported from Italy.
Yes, manufacturer brought in from Italy.
Oh, that is very rare in the projects in the mass market or the OCR area where you have manufactured imported from Italy.
Italy, yes.
I see.
And then for our bedrooms, we use engineered wood.
Engineered wood.
Yeah.
So this is actually things that has been using most of quite a lot of projects in CCR, in the Orchard River Valley area, the new launches. I see engineered woods. Yes.
Yeah.
So you'll be using engineered woods for the bedrooms as well.
Yeah, bedroom floor. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then for the toilet sanitary ware, we are using 𝐿𝑀 from Germany.
That's another brand that most of the CCR project is using.
In fact, the first time I saw 𝐿𝑀 is in a GCB.
Wow. So you are actually using GCB's equivalent product in Commodore.
Yes, yes. And then go to the kitchen, we are using Italian made the quartz countertop.
Oh, maybe you want to share us with your brand, because usually I think we don't really pay attention to the countertop. So you are telling us, sharing with us that even that is different from the normal one that we
It's
see?
very different. The price is also very different. So the brand we use is 𝐿𝐴𝐵𝑖𝑛𝑡 from Italy.
Oh, so price is very different.
Very different.
But you're not going to include in your pricing of the project, right? Or the unit, right?
We will price it in line with the market anyway.
So this is on top. Your pricing is in line with the market, but you are, from what I hear, you are actually giving very quality finishes and specs.
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then going to the kitchen cabinet, we are using loom system.
The soft clothing loom system.
Yes.
Okay, any other things that you
Bosch, hob and hood. Appliances, yes.
So I feel you, I mean, for this project, you are going into all the little things that matters.
Yes.
And providing very quality specifications for this project.
We try to differentiate our product from others, so we don't mind to spend more on finishes.
But price is in line with the market.
Yes.
Interesting. I see. And then when are we targeting to launch this project?
We target to preview middle of October.
Okay, so all ERA teammates out there, or clients, you probably can look forward to it. We'll be previewing it targeting mid-October.
Yes.
And if you say price is attractive, maybe you can give us a little bit insight as to like the one bedroom is about how much?
One bedroom, maybe
7?
XX.
So you still don't want to share with us how much you want per square foot. So it's still 7XX.
We have not really decided yet.
Oh, okay. One bedroom at 7XX. Actually, there's very few one bedroom in Singapore for sale, for new homes anymore. I believe it's probably one of the, in COMMODORE, it's probably one of the projects, new launches that you'll be able to find one bedroom at 7XX. So good news for ERA teammates. Okay, we have one bedroom at 7XX here.
I have one more good news for you, Doris. We have decided to appoint ERA as our sole marketing agent for the COMMODORE.
Wow! Thank you, Patrick. So, this is really very good news for us, for ERA. Did you hear that, ERA teammates out there? Patrick from JBE is going to appoint ERA as the sole marketing agent for the COMMODORE. Thank you, Patrick, for this appointment. I think we will work very hard, and we will definitely deliver results for you.
Actually, we have known each other for so many years, and we have worked in so many other projects. You always have demonstrated professionalism. You have a very strong project marketing team. And I'm sure this time you will also, like before, will deliver results for the COMMODORE.
Patrick, thank you for your affirmation on what ERA can do and what ERA can do for you. We treasure our relationship with you, and we are very happy on our sole marketing appointment, and that you have your trust in ERA.
Yeah.